OnePlus Nord. And I know there are tons of videos out there, but we're taking our first gaming look at it. It's not a gaming review. Now it packs a ton of features, and let's take a closer look at what we have here. Marble, really nice. I love the color of this device, and when you look at it right there, you can clearly see it's got 4 cameras at the back, megapixels, 8 megapixel ultra wide, some macro, there's a telephoto. That's pretty cool, but we care about what's a 5G processor. So you've got, of course, some really great performance coming from that, and of course 5G connectivity. Now in terms of RAM, you can either get 8 or 12 gigabyte variants, and you get 128 or 256 gigabytes onto that display. In-display fingerprint sensor, which is nice, fast, responsive, but looking at the display, it looks so nice. You've got a nice, almost symmetrical edges all around, and you notice there's of course a dual front-facing cameras, dual punch-hole cameras. One is an ultra-wide, that's pretty cool as well, and has some really great features all around. But that display looks nice, 2400 by 1080p. But it's also a 90 Hz display, and we like to see that while we're gaming. So as gamers, that's what we care. A 4150 milliamp battery. So how OnePlus does the optimized software really well altogether. Now, of course, they also sent us a few accessories. We've got a sandstone case, regular sandstone. We've got, of course, a blue marble colored sandstone. And I want to know what you guys want to see in terms of games and what else you want to see in the gaming review when I drop that for you, because there'll be a bunch of things. But also, OnePlus announced its brand new OnePlus Buds, which will have a video on that specific. I want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think about about the OnePlus Nord, right? We've seen it packs in a lot of features. We've seen, of course, that games run really well on there, and what games should we be playing so you guys can get the full extent of what the Nord has to offer. I'm excited. Pricing to the US, that comes up at $400 and $500. So this is a $400 smartphone.